It's ready for its first cold start with the new Miltek exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in here. I'm gonna put you guys down here so y'all can hear exactly what it sounds like for its first startup. Alright, so we're taking it on its first drive. Oh, we got some guys cutting the grass right up here. Sorry for the noise. Definitely got a lot better sound than its factory. Its factory, it couldn't even hear this thing. It was like non-existent factory. Just could not hear the exhaust whatsoever. At least now, I can hear it. There's something to hear. Put it in manual so I can bump it down some gears. There we go. That sounds pretty decent. Gotta bust this turn right here. Woo! I still wish it was louder.